Alrighty, sorry if it looks a little bit dark. Let me raise the exposure just a little bit. And what we're installing, by the way, it's in a package right now, but I'll open it up for us, is this start stop, which looks insane, by the way. Looks insane, more than just the normal red start stops or the blue start stops that you see on normal F30s and stuff like that. This one has a really cool illumination. I'm not sure what this thing is though that came with it. Kind of has me confused. Let me see what's in this little baggie. Must be some drugs. I'm just kidding. Bro, that'd be insane though. Like, what if they did that shit? Come on, it's really sticky. What the fuck is this tar shit? Like, see that? It's like tarry. It's like a sticky ass shit. I don't know what that's for. And then the other thing is inside this case right here. And this is gonna be for the iDrive controller I talked about earlier. And this thing looks amazing. Take it out of here, nice little case, but don't catch one. I'm not funny, I know. But this is what the new one will look like. Very glossy, a lot bigger, but it's just the cover that goes over the normal one. So we'll do the start stop system first and we'll get to it. Love ya, bye. All right, I figured out what that sticky stuff was for. You're supposed to like put it on the start stop button and like peel it off. Yeah, that stuff ain't gonna work, bro. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off this piece. I already kind of took off the first portion, and then we're gonna go inside of here and we're gonna T20 it. It's really not that hard, guys. So another thing you really need are these tools right here. Your trusty little pick tools. Let's see here. Under here. There we go. I was like, what? Okay. Next up, what we're gonna be doing, you gotta get this off now. So let's go. So you gotta like wedge it in there. I just use this. So in between here, you gotta wedge it like through here to get this little thing to pop off. Like right in there. We're gonna see how well this works. Oh, I heard it pop. I'll just say it. I got it, guys. That could have ended very badly. Watch it like fall like through the crevice that I just made. Out with the old and with the new. See, this is why it's one video, because I'm new to this, guys. New start stop system, baby. Let's go. Yeah, this looks sick. Now for this portion, this is literally just a cover for this. Like straight up. This is just a cover for that. So I don't think I need to do a DUI for that. It's gonna be pretty simple, but it's gonna look cool. So let's do it. Alrighty, so you do have to take the very top off, and this is the part that's gonna be remaining, right? But this is the result right here. So it definitely looks a lot better. Raise the brightness. This is the OG part, right? And I literally just used this pry tool right here just to pick it off. It's not that hard, guys, trust me. This is a lot easier than that. This motherfucker did not want to go back in. Kind of pissed off that, but it looks cool. You guys want to see this light up? Just thanks for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. If you could, it would mean a whole lot to me to hit that subscribe button, as it lets me know that you want to join the journey and understand a little bit more about what these cars are like, other cars, and possibly if you want to get into sales so you can start earning some money and buy some cool cars that you want. It's hot and humid in here, I'm not gonna lie. I love you.